Hey, this is Gadeberry21 back with another video. This is going to be my EDC that I carry day to day when I'm not in school. Well, let's just dive right in. The first thing that I always get when I wake up is my wallet. This is just a Realtree Walmart brand wallet. Has a lot of pockets and stuff for, cards and stuff. It's really good. I like it. I would like to have a long wallet. I used to, but I traded it off. Next thing is keys. I have just this Gerber little tool thing on it that, it comes in handy. Has a flathead, Phillips, smaller flathead, and a tiny Phillips. And then just my house key, and then a really nice carabiner. Next thing is the old big lighter. Depends on what I'm doing. And pretty much all this now is when I'm not in school. So, just small mini Bic. And then my next thing is a matte black Zippo. I really like this. I have my initials carved in it and stuff like that. It's one of my favorite Zippos. And the Pilot G2, the gel pens. I really like these. Probably my favorite pens. And then a United States Marine Corps Remington knife. I don't know what year it's from, but about a 5 1/4 inch blade. There's the 5 1/4 right there. Really nice. I really like that. And then I'll usually carry a folder, but I didn't today. But this is just my pocket dump for today. So, but there will be a review coming out on this soon. Well, thanks for watching. Always remember to like, subscribe, comment what you think, and always leave me questions and I will reply. Thanks. Have a good day.